Hello, I am Roy Mitchell, the new science instructional coach at the county office. And I hope you have a great year as a science teacher in Floyd County. And I want to kind of clarify a little bit about what role I will have. I am not an administrator and I have no role in your evaluation. I'm only seeking to cultivate good science teaching. And whether that's assisting you in your classroom, assisting you with learning things that you don't know, teaching techniques and so on, or whether it's just being an advocate for the county, for science at the county office, my goal is to serve the teachers and the students of Floyd County. Through emails, meeting you face to face, visiting your classroom, I hope to collaborate with you. Also, I would like to learn a little bit about your teaching. So one way I can do that is for you to go to Google Classroom. If you don't know much about Google Classroom, all you have to do is just type in Google Classroom and it'll come up to a slide that looks like this, and you just click on where it says Google Classroom right there. That'll bring you to a page that looks like this. You may have nothing here, or if you've used it before, you may have several things here, but the important thing to add a class is to click this plus right here, and it'll let you either create a class or join a class. In this case, would you join the class that has this code? You can see it's JYXJAXD, and once you do that, that will get you in Flow Science. This is something I hope to use every once in a while as a good way to kind of communicate with you guys and maybe have, in this case, an instructional survey. I'm just looking to find out a little bit about your teaching while you evaluate yourself, what you're strong at, what you're weak at, and so on. So if you could click where it says Instructional Questionnaire, you will come up with something that looks like this, and it's more than just 2 questions. It's 10, 12, something like that. Hopefully it won't take too much of your time here in the first week or so of school, but at some point soon, if you could do that at your convenience the next week or 2, that would be wonderful. One thing I also want to talk about is what we can do on Twitter. I don't know if you use Twitter or not, but I really get a lot of ideas from Twitter. I read a lot of educational articles from Twitter. I come up with, or I find some educational posters on Twitter. Really a lot out there for education on Twitter. But I happen to find out that no one is using hashtag FlowCoScience. So if you go up here to where it says search Twitter, have it circled right here, then you type in hashtag FlowCoScience and it'll go to the FlowCoScience page. Make sure you go to live, and I'm hoping, you can see I've started to put some things on there. I'm hoping that science educators in Floyd County, when they have something good that they've done in the classroom and they want to share with others, they can tweet it and put the hashtag FlowCoScience. You can see all the ones that happen to be here have that hashtag on it. Also, maybe if you want to ask a question where it's just more than 1 or 2 people answering, it can go to FlowCoScience and not get lost amongst the cajillion Twitter posts that happen to get thrown out there. So I'm hoping that hashtag FlowCoScience will be of something that benefits teachers of Floyd County. Hey, I'd love for you to email me if you have any questions or just like to make contact as to who you are. My email is rmitchell@floydboe.net. And if you do want to follow me on Twitter, I am at BamaGuy1218. Hey, I do look forward to meeting hopefully every one of you as soon as I can and serving you and the students of Floyd County.